Yeah, I like my hair there. Holy shit.
Oh, shit!
Welcome back sa panibago na namang PR Reacts. At ngayon ay magre-react kami sa PR UD posting. Yay!
Yes, we're back!
Lang yan talaga mga. Kaya sa mga hindi pa nagpo-post dyan guys, mag-post na kayo. Kasi syempre dito na ulit kami magre-react. Kung may gusto ko yung pa-react sa amin, i-comment nyo lang dyan. Kaya ano pa hinihintay nyo? Mag-post na kayo. Tara, simulan na agad natin ito. Alright, the first one. Glocken and Try Chris. Who's next?
What?
Kay Michael
Pick me
Edits.
next, may next.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Ano to?
Pick me next. Oh, tangina. Hindi naman parang...
Si ano yan eh?
Hindi naman ano?
Ay, kilala mo si
Ganda,
ano?
mataba,
Wait lang. Kilala mo si ano? Kilala mo si Gamer Job?
Woo!
He's a Oh my god. I can't believe you guys disrespected Gamer Job, bro. Nakaka-game.
Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god!
Ay,
Layo.
Loko lang kayo ng puta.
Gamer Job. Yeah, bro.
Alright, next one. Okay, somewhere. POB, John in every podcast.
Bro, what's up with your face, bro?
Kasi wagan si Horny na lagi. Okay.
Bro, what are you up to, man?
Sorry. Couldn't nose.
What the hell?
This video.
Kasampaling ko tong putang ina.
Who the fuck? Ang inang book yan.
Yes! Thank you! Thank you very much! Thank you, man!
Oh my god.
Exactly what I would have done.
Puta ka na sinampali.
Putang ina, what the fuck are you saying?
Can you replay that? Can you replay that?
Sampal eh.
Doon na sa sampal.
Sa sampal.
Ito na.
Nose.
Bro!
Ang ina solid.
Hindi na, bro.
Solid yung sampal eh.
Same, bro. Would do it again.
Next one. Oy, spoiler. Kailan kay Turbulent.
Ay, spoiler, mukhang maganda to.
Harassment now, boy.
Ay,
Hate.
Oh
Oh
my
my
God.
gosh. Editor,
Good.
ano mo to ha? Pag ano.
May isa pa sa loob oh.
tapak, bro.
Ang ina, may isa pa.
Pinakahuli.
May isa pa nga, gago.
Pero kung pinakahuli, the final boss.
Then,
How is that harassment, bro?
How is this targeted harassment at someone
How
else?
is this targeted?
Kay Chris daw, kay Chris.
Do you feel harassed?
No, I feel violated.
Next one natin.
Glock plus Ken na naman.
Michael Edits. Glow plus in
Glocken. It's the same shit.
Kami dalawa, Ken. Ken, it's you and me, man. It's you and me, man. Come on, let's go!
Oh my gosh!
Oh, is it?
Ay, nagsama.
Iseki John, bro. Iseki John.
Gago pinagsama.
Putang ina, we're dead. What the fuck is happening? Did we die?
Yeah,
Alam mo yung few news siya, yun. The funniest thing about this video is John, bro.
Yes.
Why me, bro?
And his...
You're the...
Wakang taga, ano yan?
Blue lock, bro.
IQ.
Hindi blue lock tayo.
IQ.
Blue lock, bro.
I was thinking, ano yan? Tokyo Revengers, bro.
What the fuck? Kakanood mo yun.
Mikey,
Si Tokyo Avengers yan, nga. Okay, next.
No, I don't hear the images, man. What is this?
Di ko pa napapanood. Ano to? You can't hear images. Just
I
type the
can't hear,
meme.
bro. Honestly,
I don't get it, bro.
on my mama, I can't hear.
Di ko gets. Oh.
Yung ano ata yan, yung inano ni Chris. Hinulaan, tas nadamimik nga ganun. I don't fucking know.
Next.
Next one, the public
Lost us,
programmer.
Oh, maganda to.
Oh, public programmer. Parang alaala ko dyan ah.
Sana maganda.
Ito, my body waiting to receive nutrients. That's Glow, man.
That's me, bro.
Oo, bro.
So, wala po si Chris ngayon, pero tutuloy namin mga kaibigan. Tuloy! Okay na?
Tuloy!
Na?
Let's go.
Alright.
Ako na lang mag-represent kay Chris, okay?
7
Tama.
days ago, with J.O. Chan. Pinoy's AI with wholesome... Why?
Oh, fuck.
Actually, go. Actually, go.
Coming up
With
po to.
slight tampo ang
Yeah.
puta.
Parang niya sabihin natin, tayo, pinag-kiss tayo.
Inaaray ko sa
Oh,
kanya.
Next level. Playing with
Stop.
Oops.
Stop.
Oh my god.
Why?
We don't support AI-generated stuff here. Boom!
Alright, tuloy natin.
Damn. Ay! 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 Oh shit!
I like my hair there, bro.
Damn, bro. I like how you touch it, bro.
Wait, kilala mo yung putang na sino yung... Who's that guy na may controversy ngayon?
Si Hotdog.
Bunjing.
Si Hotdog.
Hotdog na bunjing
Puta,
na
ina.
yung sigbin.
Sino yun?
I don't know, I forgot his name.
Oh my God.
Sayang wala si Chris dito. He would have loved this shit.
Oh my God.
Why would he love this shit?
Tension's gonna be cool with it. Hey, okay. Ito Wait, what the fuck is that?
Literally flying, bro. You're not skydiving. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, Ken.
Boy, ginawa ko, pre! Help!
What the fuck is that guy, bro?
Going out of nowhere, bro.
Galaw-galaw Pinoy state.
Who the fuck was that?
Spoiler sa ilalim.
Tingnan si Glow.
Two stupid ass YouTubers
Si Vanilla
apprehended
nag-iba
for
eh.
not finishing.
Si Vanilla nag-iba!
Hindi na natin, hindi na
Why
natin.
the fuck did I did the wrist face?
Hindi natin.
Oh shit!
Eh, galaw-galaw, Pinoy Tales!
Hindi kasi natin tinapos yung yung until then. Ba't nag-iba yung mukha ko
Kaya
dun?
kaya kinuha ko.
Tangina, paano kaya yung prompt nun, no? Kukunin yung si John tsaka si Ken, di ba? Like, how the fuck? Ano mo nga eh, balik mo nga doon. Kaya nag-iba nga yung mukha eh.
Nag-iba yung mukha ni Vanilla, nag-upgrade. Naging ano eh.
Louis.
Literally just flying,
Just
bro.
flying.
He's Bomberman, bro.
Nagmumug si Jan eh. Si Glow ka, tingnan mo.
So stupid, this AI is stupid. Ano yung view spoiler sa gilid, sa baba? Click mo nga yan.
Saan?
Yan. Wala pala, puta na.
Nag-post ulit kasi may nagbabalik daw. Oh!
Hoy, nagbabalik syempre.
Oh, nice. Ako nga, gawin mo yung yung tumatalon sa airplane. Katulad ng kay Glow ko.
Okay, game.
Alright,
For glow ko, for glow ko.
Or glow.
Yuri-chan. For Glow ko.
Give it to me, bro.
Kasi they caught a fish.
Oh, they caught a fish. They caught a fish.
Damn. Damn, bro.
This is the whole point, bro.
Ano gagawin?
Damn, bro. I came here for
Damn,
to lap.
that's wholesome, bro.
Ah, that's the whole point.
Damn,
He's
bro.
some wholesome, bro.
Remember,
I came here to
Glow,
play a lot, though.
Kuha ng pang-gay-shoes, pre.
Oh, is that
Damn,
how you felt, bro?
Yes, bro.
Damn,
You
bro.
never did it again.
Exactly.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
Oh,
For Glow ko again!
Give it to me, bro.
Damn, bro. Kay
Puta,
Labroy.
for glow ko lagi ah.
26.
My Italian husband finally found authentic pasta in the USA. So he went to congratulate the pasta man.
The pasta.
He offered him traditional Italian husband thanks. He's
Oh,
so sweet.
Ang ina.
So, how is this for me?
I don't know how that's it for you, ah.
Yes,
I've
that's our
tasted
goal.
authentic pasta.
Fuck is
Kasi
happening?
Jollibee lang daw yung gusto mo. Next one.
Like,
Musical artist pala tayo, idol eh.
oh, shit.
Oh my.
Musical
damn.
artist?
Actually,
Bakit naging,
Si John, yes.
bakit naging musical artist?
Ewan ko.
Weird.
kaya pala wala tayo sa sa mga trending,
Sa trending ng gaming kasi
musical artist pala tayo.
music na pa yung ano. Next.
Parang alam ko na to.
Finally na every episode.
Ano to? Wait, what?
What the fuck? Kawawa ka naman.
What
Ano?
happens, bro?
Kawawa ka.
What the fuck?
If you don't give the proper
I think that's me, bro. I think that's me.
Next
Gloco
one.
needs this motorcycle, bro. Ano yun? What the fuck? Oh,
it's
sa...
the new,
Yeah.
it's the new Honda thing.
Oh,
Puta, yeah, you
shit.
do need that
nice.
shit.
So, you know.
Puta na sa Tokyo show.
Damn.
It looks cool,
Yeah,
but
that's too
nah.
nice, man.
I'll never
Nice.
ride a motorcycle, bro.
Tama. What the
Oh.
fuck?
Tama.
Live adaptation.
Oh shit!
Adaptation.
La bidas, la bibidas.
Oh!
What the fuck?
Black Clover to eh.
What the fuck is that?
Black Clover, bro.
Fuck that, man. We never watched that shit.
At ako, sa Black Clover, nagustuhan ko siya pero sobrang parang, alam mo yun, draggy.
Yeah.
Season 2 ata.
Look at this guy watching One Piece and he thinks fucking Black Clover.
Hindi na rin
is
nanonood
draggy,
ng One Piece. Yeah, draggy nga rin. So, ito rin draggy, parang One Piece.
We
Uy.
are as heretics.
Okay.
Ito pa kasi heretics.
Putang, nakita mo lang mukha mo. Inan mo na agad. Inap mo na. Where's this going, bro?
I don't know. Ito pa kasi
Is
heretics.
this an anime opening? What is
Punta
this?
sa Pedro.
Ano to?
Putang ina.
Tawag dito? Yung orb.
Ano to? Orb.
What is orb?
Is that a new anime?
Yung nirecommend ko sa'yo, yung maganda. About heretics.
Yeah.
That is
Okay.
Wait, what's the meaning of heretics?
Ano siya,
Diba?
ang premise kasi ng anime is yung church yung nagko-control ng shit. Ngayon, ng ano. Now, if you try to prove na yung Earth ang hindi ang gitna ng solar system, you're a heretic. Diba kasi realistic ang kasi sun yung gitna, diba? Doon kasi sa anime parang gusto nilang iparating ng church na Earth is the lowest point or the lowest realm na this is where the pain and suffering is. Pag namatay tayo, we transcend on a higher realm. Kaya lahat is maging mabuti ka dito and follow the church. Parang ganun. So like, if ma-prove na sun ang gitna, edi that fucks up the church and their credibility. Basta yun na yun. Manood lang kayo. It's good anime. Or.
What's the name?
Is that the one?
Yeah,
by,
yung sinabi mo sa
Yo?
nagpapunta tayo ng yung Japanese yung sabi mo na may gusto ka dito na voice actor ata.
Si Suda Kenji.
Yeah. It's a fun anime to watch. Hindi ko nga lang natapos eh.
I wanna watch that.
Anyways, tuloy.
Okay.
For Gloco.
Yeah, just something to do. What? Oh yeah, meet my dad. Don't be shy, he won't bite. So this is Momo's.
Hindi ko
This
gets.
is This is Rinchen's art, and
Yes.
I don't know the context here, but I think it's part of her comics.
Yes.
Oh.
Hindi, fan art lang to, but I don't know
Never mind.
what she's referencing here. I forgot.
Okay.
I forgot. Actually, game next.
Ay, si Gloco lang daw makaka-understand na idol.
Ako lang.
What the-
I've seen this.
Oh,
It's
yes.
amazing.
Ito ka to, bro.
Meron.
W video, bro. Yeah! Yes, go!
He's happy na, bro. Kanina, ang lungkot niya. Ngayon, saya-saya niya.
Pag fishing, ang ganda ng ngiti eh.
Gagawa ko ng opposite yan, anti-fishing guy.
Oh my God.
Lahat ng photos sa isda nakasingangot. Pero
Lahat ng photos mo nakangiti sa pista.
Oo nga, wala na. O, paano yun? Wala na.
AI mo. O tapos
AI
sabihin
ko,
mo, don't
Exactly.
Tawa.
Oo nga. Hipok.
Yes, I will AI that shit.
So, pro AI na po
Photoshop.
kami.
I draw the line sa videos tapos sa art. Pero sa Photoshop, I will
What the fuck?
Ito,
Okay.
black shoes na white kay Spirited Ad.
okay, gets.
Black shoes na
Okay,
white.
gets. Okay, gets.
Alam mo yung Colgate na close-up.
Ganyan, yeah.
Okay.
Gets.
Yes.
Ito, hope she learns her lesson.
She about to get it, bro.
I know you didn't. Just,
Oh no.
you just hit me
Oh,
with your
ay, na.
talk to me, little girl. So, you don't even seem remorseful about it or nothing. Here. Yeah. How that feel?
Ina ka?
What you looking at me like that for? You the one hitting
Isn't that dangerous, bro? Di ba yung mga pusa may ano?
Yung si John makakasagot niyan.
Hindi ko alam.
I don't know. I have never been slapped by a cat, bro.
Yeah, I know you.
Don't cats have like fucking...
Yeah, yung but they can
Yeah.
retract it. So like,
Yeah, but so...
Nananapok lang sila, literal. Hindi sila nangangalmot.
baka nananapok lang.
So they can choose
Yeah,
kung manalpok
yeah.
lang.
Yes.
They're the scratch.
Damn.
Damn, bro.
Hindi ko alam yun ah.
Kita mo yung parang mga short videos ng dog sa kakat. Yung cat sinasapok yung aso sa ulo.
Yeah.
Hindi
It-
naman
it-
ano.
No, it just... What do you call it? It boggles me that a cat can choose not to hurt someone.
Wolverine, bro.
Yes.
Like
Wolverine.
parang, you know, like gusto nilang manapok. Pero like, may instinct din sila parang, you know what, if I'm gonna slap someone, I can choose not to deploy my claws. Parang
Damn, bro.
Wolverine, man. Wolverine.
Wolverine, bro.
Damn.
Hell no!
Ano may ahas?
May ahas! Oh my God, di ko nakita. Oh my God, you're prick. You're fucked, bro. Ano?
Tingin na sila magdamag dyan.
I can't even see what it is, pero that looks
snake.
dangerous. Fucking,
Yeah,
That
I
looks
know,
fucking dangerous,
but
bro.
I don't know which one. Hindi ko siya ma-identify. Gago.
Holy
Pag
crap.
tumayo siya, habulin siya yung gago.
Yeah, pag gumalaw siya dyan.
I don't know.
Itulak mo ng ano.
I don't know how it works.
Ng bike.
What would you do in this situation, Gian?
Me,
Ay.
I would slowly fucking retract my foot. Okay. Slowly, and then, you know, years of Dark Souls and Sekiro. Ano,
Magdadance ka na,
Reaction
magtatample
time.
ka.
doon ako magre-dodge.
The reaction time, bro.
Dodge it.
Ito for Neil.
Ina mo,
putang ina mo.
putang
Yup.
ina mo. May video kasi
Ako
na ganyan,
nagulat ako.
nakadabalik
Kupal
niya.
ka.
Ano, lalapit, puta. Tumalan na.
Akala ko yun rin eh.
Tang ina mo.
Nagulat ako, ga.
Gulat ako, tang ina niya.
Talon, una ulo.
Oh, shit.
Agay.
Putang ina, agay. Ang sakit.
Teacher.
Teacher.
Agay.
They will
Ang sakit.
never forget that
Agay.
shit. Core memory.
For memory ng ano, estudyante yun. Teacher namin nauntog sa ano, sa TV.
Yeah.
Every dig.
PR
Actually,
points.
I'm actually curious. Wait lang. Sa
What?
mga nanonood sa PR apps, meron ba dyan teacher?
Oh,
I'm just curious. And if you are, how old are you right now? Just curious.
You know, you
Yeah,
can
no.
be a teacher for as early as 20.
Yeah, of course, pagka-graduate mo or pagka-graduate mo ng college, you can start. I'm just curious, like, how old are teachers nowadays?
nice yun.
Nanonood ng PR. ano?
Like, nanonood ng PR. Pero it's more of like, I'm curious if may, meron pa sa fans natin yung parang who's actually studying to be a teacher or kakagraduate lang as a teacher or currently a teacher. Yung ganun. Anyways, wala lang. For science. Next.
Okay. Next. So, PR boys as moments.
An orgy?
The fuck?
I've never been part of an orgy before.
What the fuck?
The fuck?
Well, the Tin Man, get the fuck out of here.
Fuck, Bill.
Exactly.
Puta, saan galing yung hype
Exactly
na yun?
what Chris would say, ba?
Fucking Wizard of the Oz.
Exactly what. Why do porn Why do porn parodies look look better than the original, bro?
What is this?
Oh, but
What
they
is that?
did.
Ay, may reference ay, no? May link na binigay. 1 hour and 23, 30 seconds.
Video lang.
No, I think it's more of like, yung part na sinabi ni John yun.
Shit.
123.
Yan natin ba? 120. 120.
Imagine, it's just
Diba?
actual screenshot yun. Tapos sinabi ko yun, oh, but they did.
Yeah.
Oh, but they did! Oh my God, I actually...
The sequence
Oh
of
my God, you saw the future, bro.
The sequence of frames of you saying that. Oh, but they
Oh my
did.
God.
Dude, you can put that on any video, bro. Oh, but
Oh
they.
my.
Okay, next on tayo,
No.
boys.
No, I didn't suck it. No, but they did. Yeah.
Keep it now, live
Oh my.
shit na, bro.
Oh shit, nasa war era tayo.
Fuck. That's fuck, bro.
Di ba pataas? Ba't pababa?
Ayun, ano ba yan mga yan?
What
Sasabog
the
ba yan?
fuck? They're being attacked.
It's a fucking
What do you
missile.
mean, Janine? It's a missile going down.
It's a missile, bro.
Di ba yung
Looks
sa
beautiful,
ano nga,
pero it's
Kimi
fucking...
Nunawa, hindi ba
Ay,
pataas
oo.
yung nila doon, di ba?
No, it's going across.
Gago, may
It's
kumakalit ka na
actually
video,
falling.
di ba?
Hindi pa
Bagal
taas.
mo ba, no?
May video ng Pilipino sa Qatar. Sabi niya, oh my God, look at those, fireworks. Biglang may sumalubong boom, sumahog sa taas. Oh shit! Taka, nagpanic sila sa playground eh.
Okay, next one. Primary,
Next one,
I'm back. Welcome back.
Baby, so na mission guys, 6 days ago to.
6 days ago, damn, they're
They're
active,
active,
bro.
bro.
They're
They're
active.
active. They're active.
Baby is on the mission.
NSFW content? What the fuck?
Oh no.
Damn, bro.
Holy shit. Ang mukha yan.
May ano kasi pag baby, di ba yung may grip strength sila?
Yeah, they do. It's a part of their reflex. Try nyo.
Damn.
Harap kayo ng baby na mga less than 1 year old. And then, they ilagay mo yung finger mo doon. That thing will never let go, bro. Okay, real Chad compliment. Sige nga. Hey, there's
Nice
that guy.
cock.
Nice cog.
Nice.
I like that. I like that guy. I need to play Hades too. Okay, next.
Repose. Ah, shit.
Ain't no way, bro.
Oh,
One for all,
shit.
all for
Ain't no
one.
way, bro. Ain't no way, bro.
Ain't no way, bro.
Ain't no way.
Ain't no way, bro.
Katahimikan.
Oh my god, I can't believe wala si kasi dito. Game.
Kaya pala. Galing ah.
Kaya pala.
Kaya pala.
Part 2 po. Mahapin din this August.
Natawa dyan, putang ina.
Patabot din ako makahinga eh.
That's the best gago sa mall. Yan yung highlight sa mall, gago. Yan yung 30 minutes atang tumatawa eh, putang ina. Hanggang pag-uwi.
Pati yung tumutulong tumatawa eh, gago.
Tangina kasi. Tangina, 3 tao na yung tumutulong para matanggal yung tsinela sa paa, putang ina.
I don't even remember kung paano na tanggal.
Sinira lang,
Sinira lang. Asan na kayo yung crooks?
Oo, tapos binilan natin ng Crocs. Yung Crooks.
Typical people with gambling and casino addictions.
Oh, yan, PNG.
Yan, ba't PNG? Baka putang ina, baka ano yan, pre?
Mo na lang. Putang ina. Putang ina.
That's not me, bro. Ain't no way,
That's you, bro.
That's you right there, bro.
Baka tayo sa era na yun, eh.
Cut 4K, bro.
O ano, na-edit pa ba yun? What the fuck?
Wala, hindi pa tayo umabot dun sa episode na yun, di ba? Putang
I think we did. I think we already did.
No, yung putang, nag-gambling lang tayo itong todo-todo.
Nabuti yung dulo eh.
Wait, na-upload na ba yun? Nasa may farm na tayo?
Wala nang ma-edit na ganyan natin. Wala nang ma-edit na ganyan eh.
Wala kasi bagong update eh.
Ain't no way, bro.
The modern society be like...
It's promoting hate.
Ayun yung kanina eh.
Jet 2 Hollywood.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. And right
Putang
now,
unang
you
yan.
can save
Galing.
£50.
Nice.
Galing.
Alright.
Chris would have loved this shit. Yeah, Chris would have loved this shit.
Diyan malaki, bro.
What the fuck?
Bag ni Jan malaki.
Inang pangalan yun.
Ang inang username yun.
Ay, Supan! For Pina's gaming chair.
I would love to.
What the
It looks
fuck,
comfy, bro.
Tapos
TT Racing got nothing on that, bro.
Tapos yung deck mo, star yun.
O nga, bagay yung kay Chris pag nilalaro na MPG.
Putang ina.
Okay lang.
Necron niya gaga.
It looks hella comfy though, not gonna lie. I could if we put a massage feature in that, damn bro. I would stay there, bro.
Kaya ganun yung credit card ni Gloco. Take my money.
Mentality
edit yung...
Mentality nga, ayun. Nakapanood ko na to.
Ano nangyari?
Sira yung ano.
Sira yung nasa bigat.
Yung
Bobo.
Umigay.
Tumingin ka, bobo ka. Joke lang.
Binawi.
Nagkomputa.
Pilipino sa atin. Una, ang
Nag-rock lang siya.
Akala ko ba lalaki ka? Dapat breath.
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 Kita, ang lakas, nag-ano ka. Ano ginagawa mo? Kumakamot. Ang tagal mo naman kumakamot, 3 minutes. Tapos yung mga damit doon, antitigas.
Sipon ko yun.
Ano yan?
Uy, what is this?
Nilipad.
Make sure your tent is pinned down. Oh yeah.
Holy shit.
What the fuck, nagkaka-tornado.
Devil na yan.
Lupit.
Sumakay oh.
It's just
Sheesh, tas natutulog ka pa sa loob.
What the fuck?
Yan ang camping.
Liliparin ka ba dyan na? Kaya ba ng tao yan?
No. It's just literally a wind malakas na hangin
May
na
ikot.
umaano.
Ano tawag yan?
May ikot
Devil
na dyan.
something?
Dust Devil.
Dust Devil. Yes.
Dust Devil.
Yeah. Experience that before sa UST was amazing. Putang ina.
Haba.
I would do
Ano
that.
yan?
Actually, I wanna do that.
In-edit eh.
Oh, gago.
Yung maliit
How
lang
I-
nakuha mo.
I would do that, bro.
I caught a
I'm
big
gonna-
fish.
I'm gonna do that, bro. Dex. Gaano ka? Ka-flexible.
Tangina kasi CR yan.
Nalababo ba yan? Or...
CR.
CR yan, CR. Lomang CR.
Mga nag-ihian nata yan eh.
Mostly sa ibang bansa.
Putang liit eh. I think that's no. That's
It's like that's a half of a CR, bro. Half of a toilet.
Yan yung ano, yung...
fucking shoot your shit there, man. Ang liit nung...
Yung pader yung pupunasan mo. Babounce
Hindi yung
mo
pot
sa
mo.
pader.
Unless urinal lang talaga yun.
Putik na yan.
Honestly, I don't know what the fuck.
Bro, may experience ako sa ganito, pero hindi half. I think sa Malaysia or Singapore.
Ay, ganyan pa rin sila?
Oh, well, dati pa.
Squatting toilet?
Squatting, bro. Damn, bro.
I would love that.
First time ko na-experience yun.
Gago,
Grabe.
tapos pag titingin ka sa baba, may nakatingin sa'yo na mukha doon, gago. You know that's it, yan, you know that's it.
What the fuck?
Do you know that's it?
Taga sa loob po tayo.
No, like legit, pero ganun sa Japan eh. The creep motherfucker. Oo nga, legit.
Is that from a movie?
No, it's like a real thing that happened.
Ain't no way, bro. But it did.
But they did, bro.
They did.
Oh, but they did, bro.
Comeback is real, bro.
Next, comeback is real.
Putang inang dog bowl na...
Oh, damn!
Kusang bumalik, gago.
Oh shit, he back.
Mananalo pa siya.
Comeback, bro.
But it refused. Putang ina,
Nanalo pa, gago.
Nanalo pa.
Imagine nangyari yan
bro.
pag nag-Beyblade tayo, gago.
Pinoy's Beyblade Season 2 coming out.
Uy, saan?
Oy.
Near future. Tanong.
Ano na tayo?
Saan?
Okay. Next.
Next one. Rinig ko, babalik daw.
Siyempre, babalik. Ito na.
Yo!
It's just some... It's
What the fuck?
Megatron, bro.
It's Megatron, bro.
May bumalik nga.
Working.
Yung mga po 7 days ago,
Bumalik na, guys.
tabak. Calmes PR lobby, sir.
I know what men can do when they're angry.
Alam mo, isang sumisigaw lang na random. Nag-scream lang.
Where would you...
Are we even still like that?
Sa rematch po. Mapapanood.
Yes. Rematch.
Sige.
Inang rematch yan.
Next!
Pinapakita na naman yung katoxican namin. Oy, homunus kenus, oh.
Uy! Putang
Uy.
ina, meron na ako, idol. Ano yan? Puta picture. May phone cam, bro. Tangina niya.
Tangina frame yan. It's so uncanny, bro.
Dapat nandun ako sa gilid eh.
Yung mata kasi ito.
Yung mata eh. Ang laki.
Yeah, like, on that fucking moment, naalala niyo yung frame ni... Si Shem ba gumawa niyan? Shem ba? Putang inang
Ito,
Shem.
Shem.
Sad salad.
Inang yan. Tapos na tayo dyan.
Oy.
Oh shit, Jollibee, bro. Jollibee posting, bro. Let's
Jollibee,
go.
bro.
I've seen this before, bro.
Mentality is amazing, bro. Ay, kaagarapan ko to.
Chicken Gaspar.
Boom! Bumalik mo! Paralo po si Jollibee!
First finish.
First finish, idol!
Damn, bro.
Na ano sa labas,
Jollibee.
tapos bumalik sa loob.
Okay. Ready to vanil.
Ay, puta, may ano.
Putang ina. Tapos
Labor
na.
Day na siya sa
God,
Labor
two
Day.
months
Idol, 2 months ago pa yan, no?
2 months ago.
Two months ago,
my
kaya
God.
yung
Pero
post.
grabe active sila. Ain't no way, bro. Damn,
2
John.
months ago na.
Dave, John, tangin na wala. Hindi ka wala inaamin eh.
Putang ina. What the
May hindi ka pala inaamin, idol. Kahit tag-iisang bahay lang, idol.
Ain't no way, John.
Palihim
Ay,
lang ako.
editor,
walang
pa-blur
pera.
na lang yung ano. Pa-blur na
Hello,
lang yung
wala pala.
mukha ng kasama ni John. Well, bakit? Ba't iba-blur? Di, wag na pala. Okay na pala. Wag mo na blur.
Puta ng bumble ng puta.
Kuya Glocos posting.
I was just swiping.
Swiping left and
Ito
right.
ba yan?
Damn, I'm Catholic? Ain't no way, bro. Damn, juice. And I'm 21? Holy shit.
Tanga sa lahat ng picture na kukunin sa'yo para mang-hold up or mang-i-snatch ka pa.
Si Juice.
Hey, yo,
21 years old, bro.
Hey, yo, bro, get out of Bumble, bro. Go touch grass.
Things we can bond over, Catholic.
Catholic.
Being religious,
Things we can bond over. Damn, Juice, bro, 21.
So funny, bro.
Ay,
Ay, yung kanina.
Ay, no, it wasn't Chris.
Yan yung, what do you call this?
Aura farming ang puta.
Super Saiyan eh.
Tinanggal si ano eh.
Hindi, tira naman. Tapos na wala. Katabi niya yung mga Pokemon daw, Spider-Man.
Wala na, patol na eh.
Oh, wow!
Open world na chess.
Yan ang chess.
Damat naman yan eh.
Nah, bro, they're making the move, bro.
Eh no, pagilid.
Puro pawns ang puta.
Chess.
Chess ba, chess? They're eating ano.
See?
Nakikita nila yung tiles, pre.
Open world ang puta.
Gago, pre. Ang ano yan, tatalino pa ganyan.
May imaginary ano sila, yung augmented reality na ano.
May 3D glasses sila or ano sa mata nila. Alam mo ba, yung mga chess player sobrang hanga ako kasi pag sinabi mo yung positioning lang and ano like A6, hindi ko na alam yung mga
G7, ganun,
G7, tapos iisipin nila sa utak nila. Tapos makikita nila sa parang asa board.
Damn, bro.
Sino yung ano, yung sa Hunter x Hunter, yung Gungi. Yung gusto ko matutunan niya. Si Meruem.
Yung ano.
Yung babaeng hindi natalo ni Meruem.
Sipon, oo.
Sipin mo yun, putang ina yan. Like a board game has like can't really have infinite number of fucking moves, diba? Pero for some reason, takina dun sa Gungi na yun. They get evolved. I don't know how they fucking bullshit that shit. I think it's a fictional game.
Alright, ano tayo? Last five.
Last five. Game.
Guys. Sa mga hindi namin na-reactan, i-repost yun na lang para makita namin next time. Syempre. Every week na po ang PR Reacts, mga kaibigan.
Aba, totoo ba yan?
Hopefully, syempre.
Totoo na ba yan?
Totoo yan.
Nice.
Next.
Putang inang yan.
Putang ina. Damn, bro.
That's so bouncy.
Holy shit. That's a huge ass fucking dick, bro.
Alam na natin yan. Tapos na. Uy! 12 days ago.
Parang masarap na idol ako.
Ano to?
Tang ina, liempo, gago.
Sarap.
I haven't eaten yet.
That's not liempo. Is it
Ay,
liempo?
alam ko yan. I hate that guy.
Taki ng takornil yan.
Sino mo na beses yung papala sa tasalaga para gumilis yung bawala.
Okay, yun na tapos.
Honestly though, like I watched it muted and it turned out pretty great. Yung ano.
Damn.
Let's try.
Basta nung liempo, gago.
Oh damn, yes bro.
Like, easy.
Oh wow.
Diba? See? Better. We just made the fucking video better. Look at that. Ako naman gan. Ano naman si tayo dyan.
Tangin na may
video na gago.
Minute niya puta, mas malala yung ano.
Damn, need that frying pan right there, bro.
Ay, ganda pa nyo.
5 minutes lang.
Tama na.
Stop the shit, bro. Oh shit. Vanilla John X, one of the girl.
What the fuck does that mean?
Ano yung one of the girl? What do you mean?
Damn.
One of those shit.
Oh, but they did, bro. Let me show you how, bro.
Damn, bro. Damn, bro, John. Damn, bro.
Damn, bro.
Laglag panty, bro. Damn.
That's a huge ass fucking dick, bro.
Pierre needs this. Holy shit, it's a cart.
Oh, wow.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, wow, that's amazing, bro.
Oh my
What
God,
that?
please.
Parang feeling ko di ako kasya dyan.
Parang Mario Kart lang,
Look
oh.
how fun that thing is, man. Holy shit. He drifting, bro.
Damn.
Because they can, bro, which is really nice.
Damn.
That's nice. Especially Gloco.
Exactly.
May special mention
pala, karting, malapit na.
Malapit na.
Malapit na after 2 years. Yes. Para may sila, hintayin, tama? Oo.
Tama.
False hope. Sa tingin mo?
Rugby.
Ang ina nito.
Fuck that shit.
Ay ba yan?
Diploma. I'm so happy about his answer.
You were so happy with your answer.
Tangina eh, no? Out of context nila eh. Like, ina na yan. Kaya kayo.
Tanawa kini, bro.
Last two. Tanawa
kini. Okay, I'm a fight trash talk.
Damn, nagbisaya.
Nakakay-Bisaya, bro.
Nakakay-Bisaya, bro.
Absolute Gloco. Okay. Pangtapos natin. Ay, hindi. May isa pa.
Picture lang ata.
Toy-Con na. Papunta na tayo sa Toy-Con.
Toy-Con era, gaga. Absolute dog shit, bro. Honestly,
yeah, bro.
True. Absolute dog shit, bro.
Na-picture lang.
Oh, yeah. There you go. Random Toy-Con encounters.
Masaya ba sa Toy-Con na? Baby is on a mission.
Oh. Hoy, tama na.
Tama na.
White shoes na white. Wala na.
Umikot na.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, hindi pa active yung PRUD posting yun at may nagpo-post pa rin.
You know who's not back?
It's Chris.
Let's go.
Saj, wala si Chris for this revival.
Yes guys, kaya para po next PR reacts namin, tadtarin nyo ng Chris memes para masulit si Chris.
Exactly. Tapos wala ulit yung kuryente niya, no?
Tapos tayo na naman mag-enjoy. So syempre, alam nyo, yung mga hindi nawala.
Ano?
Oh, no way. Is it
our... No way, bro. Patreons! Damn!
Oh my God! Ituro mo kayo. Ito.
The best.
Ilabas mo yung ni Ken, yung video ni Ken ulit.
Fuck you guys, ha?
Say it, Ken.
Say you just fucking did. Basta, alam mo na yun.
Maraming salamat po sa mga still na nagpa-Patreon sa amin. And syempre, next time guys, magre-react ulit kami. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Mag-post na ulit kayo sa PR UD posting. Ba't ba UD posting ang inano natin dito?
Ewan ko, bakit ba UD posting?
Bro. Yan yung group
ever.
Kasi mga UD pota sila, okay?
Yes, sir. So maraming salamat sa panonood. Kita ulit sa next PR Reacts next week.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.